In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily delete your TikTok account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. First off, open up the TikTok app. Then go to your profile. Hit at the three lines at the top right and select Settings and Privacy. After that, at the very top, you can easily find Account. And then towards the bottom of that list, tap at Deactivate or Delete Account. If you just want to take a break from TikTok temporarily, you can simply deactivate your account instead of deleting. If you choose to delete your account instead, you won't be able to recover it after 30 days. So deactivating your account is temporary, deleting your account is permanent. On that step, you need to select whether you want to deactivate or delete your account. I'm just gonna hit at Delete Account permanently, just like that. On that step, it will ask us why we are leaving TikTok. We can choose any option from that list and then hit at Continue. On the next step, it will offer you to download your TikTok data. So if you want to save your TikTok videos, you can just stop where it says Request Download, and then you will be able to save your videos from TikTok somewhere on that particular device or on other storage. After that, you can checkmark that option and then hit at Continue. Now it says that your account will be deactivated for 30 days and won't be visible to the public. During the deactivation, you can reactivate your TikTok account anytime. After 30 days, your account and data will be deleted permanently. If you agree with that, you can hit at Continue. On the next step, it will ask you to verify your account. So you just need to use the way you're signed into your account. In my case, I can hit Continue with Google account to verify it's me. After that, you will be able to delete your account by hitting at that button. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.